Good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome you all for Milestone 1 project presentation. Our project title is Fake Job Recruitment Detection Using Machine Learning. We are doing this project under the guidance of Dr. Onraju B, and reviewers are Professor Sindhu AS and Professor Nandakumar RB. And my teammates are Impana BL and Prithvini CK. Now coming towards introduction. Fake job news can be simply explained as a piece of article which is usually written for economic and personal gains. Employment scam is one of the serious issues in recent times addressed in the domain of online recruitment frauds. Fake job news has a negative impact on individual and society, hence the detection of fake job news is becoming a bigger field of interest for data scientists. This fake job news gets a major boost and gets viral among people around the country and globe through social medias. We can observe that in social media we will see a lots of posts regarding job, and some of the posts will not be a exact to the job. It will be fake, and some people will lose money. So it is necessary to detect whether the job post is fake or real. Now, methodology will be explained by teammate Impana BL.
Thank you. The methodology of this project is the target of this study is to detect whether a job post is fraudulent or not. A dataset from Kaggle is employed that provides information regarding a job that may or may not be suspicious. Before fitting this data to any classifier, some pre-processing techniques are applied to these datasets. The classifiers are trained and tested for detecting fake job posts over a given dataset that contains both fake and legitimate. Next, moving on to the objectives. The easy access and exponential growth of the information available on social media networks has made it intricate to distinguish between false and true information. To reduce the time gap. The key purpose of this research is to protect individuals from compromised privacy and loss of money through the fake job news. To build a reliable model which helps to effectively detect fraud job news with the highest accuracy. Next, moving on to the diagram of proposed system will be explained by my teammate Prithvini.
Thank you. Now let's move towards proposed system. Dataset news article. Here where the datasets are collected from the employment scam AGN dataset called as EMSAD. Next step is pre-processing the data, which includes missing value removal, stop word elimination, irrelevant attribute elimination, and extra space. And further step is feature extraction. It is one of the most important techniques which is used for information retrieval to represent how important specific word or phrase is given to detection. Here in feature extraction, we use term frequency and term frequency inverse documentary frequency. Then training the classifier. Here different classifiers are used to checking fraudulent posts in the web, and the result of those classifiers are gets compared for identifying the employment scam detection. In the final process, step is next classification. In this step, we store the truthful news in the separate database and fake news in the separate database. It was the final result to check whether it is a real or fake. Lastly, I would like to conclude our project. Employment scam detection will guide job seekers to get only truthful offers from companies. From this detection, we can reduce the number of people who can be cheated from the fraudulent job news. Thank you.